Okay, so this is stealth video number 3, I think. Yeah, I did 3 already. But I'm placing this book, and as you can see, we're right here at Skyview Community Church, which is amazing because they have the book, little book library out here. So I figure this is the best, one of the best places to put it. So as you can see, you come down here, and they have these little libraries here. Aren't these neat? You know, you can put food, perishable food right there, I guess. And I think you can place books right here. But there's no books in there right now. So I'm going to set it right in there. It's the only book in there. So somebody down to find it. So here we are at Skyview Community Church.